I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to check your transaction history on Mercado Pago, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Mercado Pago app. Launch the Mercado Pago app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your transaction details. Step 2. Navigate to the menu. Look for the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner of the app. Tap on it to reveal more options. Step 3. Select Transactions. From the menu, find and select the Transactions option. This will take you to your transaction history. Step 4. Filter your transactions. You can filter your transactions by date or type. Use the filter options to narrow down your search for specific transactions. Step 5. Review your transaction details. Tap on any transaction to view more details such as date, amount, and status. This is where you can find all the information you need. Sometimes transactions may take a moment to load, especially if you're on a slow internet connection. Just be patient. I hope this guide helped you easily check your transaction history. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.